Hi everyone, I'm Chef Mark with Appliance Factory Fine Lines, and welcome to the spring edition of Colorado's Best Kitchens magazine. I have an extra special guest today who's going to come and help me cook. But before we get to that, I want to tell you about the inspiration for this issue. We went to the Kitchen and Bath Industry Show in Las Vegas, and there, the big trend this year is technology. And what is hot in technology right now? It's connectivity with your phone, being able to turn your phone on and off with Wi-Fi, being able to monitor your food, and they even take that one step farther. These culinary features will automatically cook your food for you. You don't even have to open a recipe book. Simply plug in a probe, hit a button, and your food's going to come out perfect. There's integrated sous vide, and there's even refrigeration that monitors the freshness of your food and makes recommendations on recipes. So for this issue, we're going to bridge the gap between traditional cooking and technology. Everyone, it's my pleasure to introduce Yvette from Muy Bueno. She brought along her cookbooks. Come on in.
Yay!
Thanks for being here.
I'm so excited. Thanks for having me.
So I understand you brought a recipe for us today.
I did.
Okay.
Are you ready? We're going to make some lamb barbacoa.
We're going to do a lamb
version.
And we're going to braise that.
Yes. Traditionally, you can even do it with a goat.
Okay.
And you make a pit in the ground, and it takes hours. So,
hours.
You know, I live in Highlands Ranch. I don't think they're going to let me
dig
a
any
pit
holes
in the backyard
and cook for hours.
Yeah, so you're going to show me how we're going to do it in the oven, right?
That's right. We're going to do it in the oven. And now this recipe takes a long, long time. I understand it's hours because it's kind of a fibrous meat, and we really don't break down those fibers. So what's the first step here? We have some beautiful ingredients here. What are we going to do with these?
So first you got to make the sauce. Red chiles. I like to use like New Mexico or Guajillo chiles.
Okay.
Onions, garlic, tomatillos, tomato. And what we do is we broil all of these lovely produce, get that nice roasted flavor.
That char on there, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
And then we're going to rehydrate the chiles. And this is what the chiles look like once you
take a
kind of soften them.
Okay, so we're gonna cut these up. We're gonna peel our tomatillos. We're gonna pop this in the oven, get that nice char, and we've got our peppers ready, and then we're gonna make our sauce.
Yes.
All right.
Let's do it.
Well, I'd say that looks just about perfect.
Looks delicious.
Okay, I've got my little food processor here, so let's load this up and let's give it a twirl. I'm gonna throw some of our chilies in there.
Yes, so this is going to give it the beautiful red color and the spice.
Some garlic cloves here.
We need to add some salt.
Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, I've got a piece of lamb shoulder here. I went ahead and I pulled out the bone. I scored the fat, so that'll help that render. What's the next step?
I like to season it with a lot of salt.
Okay.
And I like having the fat side up because then those juices drip down.
As it renders, it helps baste it.
Exactly.
Fantastic.
So always have a lot of salt on there.
Okay.
And then it's about 1 to 2 cups.
I say you get it
sauce.
all on there.
For sure. I mean, we have an extra batch. We still have more. And what's nice is you can use this for serving also.
Oh.
So,
we can serve this on the side as well.
Exactly.
Oh, so why not make a ton of that and have it kicking around the refrigerator?
For sure. And it'll last a good week in the refrigerator.
Fantastic.
So it's a delicious sauce to either have as a marinade or as a salsa.
Well, this.
And then you just rub it on there.
Rub it on. Okay, I'm going to get in there. I'm going to rub it on there. Okay.
God, that looks so good already.
Fantastic.
Smells so good.
So we need to cover this with aluminum foil?
Exactly, and then pop it in the oven.
Pop it in the oven. All right, let's do that. So how long is the cooking time?
I would say a good 3 hours. So, yeah. But let's go shopping. Let's go to the market.
Yeah, what should we get while we're there? So,
well, I'm going to plate this as tacos because that's how I like lamb barbacoa. So we could go get some corn tortillas, some more avocados because I love avocados, some jicama, some cilantro.
Things that dress up our tacos.
Exactly.
Well, we're at the market. I'm going to look for a few things. I want to do more of a restaurant-style plate presentation, so I'll shop as well. Now, this is pretty cool. I've got a probe here. I'm going to plug this in, and this is going to monitor directly to my phone via Wi-Fi. It's going to tell me the internal temperature. I'm going to put it on automatic cooking feature. And then from my phone, I can tell, hey, we've got 30 minutes left of our cooking, and we can time it perfectly. So we can be back here exactly when our food's ready. We can pull our lamb out of the oven, let it rest while we're putting the finishing touches on dinner.
Wow.
Isn't that pretty cool?
Super high tech. That's crazy. What I like about the cilantro here at the Latin markets, it's like the stems are a lot longer.
Yeah.
I don't know why, right?
And I like to use some of the stem. When I do cilantro, I rough cut it right up to the stem, and I think the stem gives it a nice body and crunch. Yeah, so I like to peel it and then I dice it, and sometimes I make a salad with mandarin oranges and masa cilantro.
Corn tortillas that are nice and warm.
Oh my gosh, they're warm to the touch.
They've been freshly made. You cannot go wrong with tortillas straight from a tortilla.
Hey, Yvette, I finally found something to put my tequila in. What do you have there?
I'm gonna take this baby. This is a molcajete. I've never seen it in barro like this, which is like a Mexican clay pottery.
Well, that's pretty cool.
I
How about
know.
we get these back to the kitchen and keep cooking?
Awesome, let's go.
Okay. Okay, we just got back from the market. I saw on my phone through the app that this was fully cooked, so I went ahead and I set the oven on warm, and this has been sitting here nice and warm, ready for us to get back and shred this. So let's take a look here.
Smells so good.
Oh,
Wow,
man.
that looks amazing.
So we're going to shred this, and we're going to stir in all the sauce and all the fat and all the good stuff. So what did you get at the market here? What do you? It looks like you've got some beautiful avocado, and what do you have there?
I made a mixture of cilantro and onions. Couldn't resist those corn tortillas that they
Oh my
had
gosh.
at the market. Those are amazing. So I'm gonna just make some street tacos.
Fantastic. And I've got a few tricks up my sleeve here. Got an avocado flour, got escabeche carrots, hominy, which is corn, and I have asparagus and radishes for
Yum.
color. All right, we're gonna shred this,
Yes.
and then let's go ahead and make dinner.
Sounds good.
Okay, we went ahead, we shredded the lamb. You can see we tossed it with lots of that sauce. It looks beautiful. It's nice and
So
moist. It just falls apart. It's delicious.
Yum.
So I was hoping you'd make me a couple tacos.
I will.
Okay.
So this is the way I set it up at my home. I just set out all the garnishes, and everybody just kind of makes their own tacos to their liking. But always, you know, gotta load it up with this delicious meat, right?
Oh, that looks
Lamb
great.
barbacoa looks so good, and I have some reserved sauce here that we're also going to use it as a salsa. Always cilantro and onion. It's always a big street taco must. Get some lime.
Oh, of course you
in
can. I
there.
almost forgot the lime. What was I thinking? Crazy. Squeeze a lime.
Yum.
Beautiful. Fresh, vibrant, definitely ready for spring.
Yes.
So I'm gonna do more of a traditional restaurant style. So you can see here I've got my my hominy hash. I'm gonna do a nice little stack my lamb here. I'm gonna put that
Yeah.
right on top. I'm going for one of those kind of stacked dishes here.
Love it.
And you know what I find with plate presentation, it's important for me at least not to fiddle with it too much. Just kind of let the food speak for itself. And I've got a little avocado rose here, tortillas here. I went ahead and just put a little cook on them so that they would have a little crunch to them. And so when you dig through this, you're going to get that. And then here's my escabeche carrot, spicy red chili sauce.
My mouth is watering.
I'm just going to go around the plate. And finally, a little bit of sour cream.
That is gorgeous. I
Yeah.
would order that.
Oh, thank you. So this has been really fun to learn about the culture and learn about the ingredients. So thank you for being here.
Thank you. Thank you for showing me a whole different idea that I'm going to try at home.
Where can everybody at home get this cookbook?
So I have a blog. It's muybuenocookbook.com. And I have a cookbook, Muy Bueno, which is available online on Amazon and at bookstores. And I also have Latin Twist. So both of them are available at bookstores and online.
This is Chef Mark with Colorado's Best Kitchens. Thanks for tuning in to the spring edition. We really appreciate that you joined us. We're about to enjoy dinner, and I hope you enjoy yours too. Thanks for tuning in.
Thank you.